Leibak Pumada Chayawala Machum the Satariba ORS Week Celebration 2026 Ngasidagi Rims Imphal the Hawkray. Angang Werebasu, Ahlo Werebasu, Diarrhea Torkumatamda, ORS Pithak Pagimaru Ibasi, Mipum Kuding Makta, Kangan Magitangai for the Valai Haina, Rimski Director G. Sunil Kumar Saramana, Fundorakli. Pediatric Association of Manipur Sinduna, Rimski, Benching Holder, ORS First, Every Child, Every Diarrhea, Every Time, Habachim the Pangtokiba, Toramadida. Director Sunil Kumar Makata Raduna, Toramasi Tim Masi Yamna Wahan Toklay, ORS campaign asi Hauki Chahi Sing the Gay, Rimsna Yamna Hakin Lauduna, Tabuk Oina Nitina Pangtuna Lakli, Masigi Matakta Rimsna, Hakshel Gilamda, Anabasing Ginamukta, Hiram Kayada, Lobayaba, Section Torang Sing Nitina Lauduna Lakli, Masi Makata Anasu, Chataki and Haina Fundoki, Toramadura Rimski, Pediatrics Department Assistant Professor Dr. W. Sunandana Resource Person in Wanganki.
RIMS has responsibilities that extend beyond patient care. We are interested in producing competent healthcare professionals, generating locally relevant research, strengthening public health systems, and serving as a center of excellence of evidence-based medical practice. I believe institutions like ours must continue to integrate clinical excellence with community outreach. We must strengthen health education, support operational research on childhood illness, promote rational management of diarrheal diseases, and collaborate closely with state health authorities, district hospitals, primary health centers, ASA workers, Anganwadi workers, and community-based organizations to ensure that life-saving interventions reach every household.